what's new in the new version of teslascada 2, version 53. The main feature we added in the new version is possibility to use archive tables. Using archive tables will improve our database handling and improve performance of trends and events and history tables that will use databases. To set up archive table, you have to choose open project properties, open events history tab, and choose archive since what date you want to collect data in archive tables. In our case, we choose 1 day. That means that in our PostgreSQL database, the data created archive history table will collect data before 1 day. If you want to collect data before 1 month, you have to choose months. That means you have to choose depending on your purposes. For example, if you need to demonstrate, often need to demonstrate the data for the last 1 month, you have to choose 1 month. If you want to demonstrate often for 1 day, you have to choose 1 day. Let's see, we choose 1 day and we'll collect data since for the last 8 days. If, for example, we don't use archive, in our case it's already created table and data will be transferred from the main history table into archive history. And now let's see, and we see the data only for the last day. So the last 7 days will be collected in the archive history table. So let's choose again our last 1 day archive, and let's see. You can see all data. It will be helpful for the big project where we collect a lot of text and need to store data for the long period. For example, for 1 year, 10 years, and collecting data, for example, for 1,000 texts. And in this case, it takes time to handle this database information. Archiving helps to handle this data and improve performance. Also, we include in this version indexing. It also helps to improve performance of handling database data. If you have you can choose for history database also this property, archive since. If you install teslascada 2 runtime in already existing project and already have database with a lot of data, we recommend to make reserve copy before starting version 53 first time, because first starting takes a lot of time for indexing tables and for archiving data. So it can take several minutes for this task. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum.